Hi, I'm Luke from Jackson Woodturners, and today we've got a display that we're going to paint black with the classic Trex black paint. One of the things that we often get asked is about colours and finishes, and one point that is on trend at the moment is painting your staircase black, so we thought we'd show you what it looks like. So as you can see on this display here, we've done some preparation work for it. With it being white primed, we've made sure it's nice and clean and sanded before we apply any finish onto it. So why don't we start painting it and see how it turns out. So in front of me I have the Trex classic colour black, so why don't we put that on and see how this display transforms itself. As you can see, just one small light covering goes a long way, so all you need to do is just apply small amounts. You will need to do a second coat just to make sure that it's fully applied and all spots are covered. As you can see, I've now finished the first coat, and what a remarkable transformation it's made. My next step is to let this dry and then apply a second coat onto it. If you actually want to see this display, come to our showroom where it will be on display and you can see the remarkable transformation that we've made. I hope you found this video useful on how to paint your staircase black. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, and please like and share this YouTube video.